Tokyo should not exist. It has burned to the ground, been flattened by earthquakes, bombed from the sky, destroyed again, and again, and again. Most cities would disappear. Tokyo kept coming back. Why? What makes this city impossible to kill? To understand that, we have to go back to when it was nothing, before skyscrapers, before anime, before bullet trains. There was only a small fishing village called Edo. Wooden homes, mud roads, boats tied to the shore. No one believed this place mattered. But in the late 1500s, Japan was in chaos. Warlords fought constantly. One man would change everything, and he chose Edo. Not Kyoto, not Osaka, Edo. Why would a future ruler choose a swampy village? Because he understood something others didn't. His name was Tokugawa Ieyasu. In 1603, he became shogun, the most powerful man in Japan. He turned Edo into his power base. Samurai flooded into the city. Castles were built. Bridges stretched across rivers. Within 100 years, Edo became one of the largest cities in the world. Over 1 million people. But there was a problem. Almost everything was made of wood, and wood burns. That weakness would soon cost them everything. In 1657, a small fire began. No one thought it was serious. Then the wind picked up. Flames jumped from house to house. People ran, screamed, pushed through crowded streets. The fire lasted days. Over 100,000 people died. The city was gone, completely gone. Most cities would never recover from that. Edo rebuilt in months. Wider streets, fire breaks, better planning, but still wood, and fire kept coming. Edo became known as the City of Fires. It was almost normal. Burn, rebuild, repeat. But fire would not be its only enemy. For over 200 years, Japan stayed closed to the world. No foreign armies, no outside control. Then, in 1853, black ships appeared in the bay. American warships. Huge, loud, armed with cannons. Their message was simple: open your country, or we open it for you. Japan had never faced power like this. The old samurai government began to fall apart. Soon, the emperor took back control. Edo was renamed Tokyo, the eastern capital. Japan was entering the modern world, and Tokyo would lead it. But modernization brings new dangers. By the early 1900s, Tokyo was modern. Trains, brick buildings, factories. It felt strong. Then on September 1st, 1923, the ground moved. The Great Kanto earthquake. Buildings collapsed instantly. Bridges snapped. Gas lines exploded. Firestorms spread across the city. More than 140,000 people died. Once again, Tokyo was flattened. And once again, it rebuilt. Stronger buildings, wider roads, better planning. But history was not finished with Tokyo, not even close. In 1945, during World War II, American bombers filled the sky. They dropped firebombs. Tokyo was still full of wooden homes. The city turned into an ocean of flames. People ran into rivers to escape the heat. Some never came out. Around 100,000 people died in a single night. One night. Tokyo was nearly erased, for the third time in its history. After that, silence, smoke, ash. Many believed Tokyo would never rise again. They were wrong. After the war, Japan was broken. No money, no power, no confidence. But Tokyo rebuilt anyway. Factories reopened, technology improved. By 1964, Tokyo hosted the Olympics. The world stared in shock. This city had been destroyed. Now it looked futuristic. Then came electronics, cars, robots, high-speed trains. Neon lights replaced firelight. Tokyo became a symbol of the future. The city that refused to die now led the world. Look at the pattern. Fire, rebuild. Earthquake, rebuild. Bombing, rebuild. Every time history tried to erase Tokyo, it answered with growth. Today, millions cross Shibuya every day. Trains run exactly on time. Skyscrapers shine at night. But beneath the neon, Tokyo remembers the flames. This city was shaped by destruction. It learned how to adapt, how to rebuild faster, how to survive anything, and that may be its greatest strength. Because if history has proven anything, it's that Tokyo doesn't just survive disaster, it uses it. So now the real question is, if another catastrophe comes, will Tokyo rise again? Or has it finally faced its last test?